All right, listen to this. I just found an AI side hustle where people are quietly making around $1,450 a day. And no, it's not dropshipping, affiliate spam, or anything shady. There's no complicated setup, no warehouse, no customer service chaos. And the best part? You can do it entirely from your laptop. It's completely faceless. No camera, no followers, no prior experience. Just you, your Wi-Fi, and a couple of free AI tools that are already out there for everyone to use. Now here's the part that'll really blow your mind. They're using free AI tools that anyone can access. I'm talking about ChatGPT, Canva, and TikTok. That's it. No coding, no design degree, no $1,000 software. These people figured out how to turn AI-generated content into short, bingeable videos that rack up millions of views. And those views, they translate into serious money. I've been studying these faceless creators for weeks, digging into how they work, what kind of videos they post, and why they keep going viral. What I discovered is wild. Some of them post 15-second AI-generated clips that hit tens of millions of views a month. All automated, all using tools that you and I already have access to. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how this works, step by step, so you can literally start doing the same thing today. Let's start with step 1, finding the faceless goldmine. When you're building a faceless channel, the first step is choosing a niche that doesn't rely on your face, voice, or personal brand. These are what I call faceless goldmine niches. You want topics that are easy to automate, highly relatable, and addictive to scroll through. Think about niches like AI facts, motivational quotes, luxury lifestyle, daily money hacks, self-improvement, or tech gadgets. Here's why these work. They're universal. You don't need to be an expert to talk about success quotes or explain 5 AI tools that make your life easier. People eat that up because it feels rewarding in short bursts. You're basically giving them little dopamine hits that make them keep scrolling. The content is quick, satisfying, and most importantly, it's repeatable. If you pick a niche like AI tools, for example, every single week there's something new to talk about. New apps, new trends, new use cases. If you pick motivational content, that's evergreen. People will never stop wanting to feel inspired. The point is to choose something that's both broad enough to have constant ideas and simple enough to automate with AI. Now that you've picked your niche, let's move to step 2, the ChatGPT script formula. Here's where the magic happens. Open ChatGPT and type this simple prompt. Write 10 viral facts about your niche in short, catchy sentences for a TikTok video. That's it. In seconds, ChatGPT will give you a ready-to-post script. Snappy one-liners, interesting facts, and engaging hooks. No writing block, no hours spent brainstorming. You just plug in your topic and it gives you a scroll-stopping script in seconds. But don't stop there. Here's a pro tip. Ask ChatGPT to add curiosity hooks. You can literally type, "Make each fact more mysterious or curiosity-driven so people want to keep watching." When you do that, you'll notice something powerful. Your audience retention skyrockets. People stick around longer, which tells the algorithm your video is worth promoting. Let's say your niche is AI tools. You could prompt ChatGPT to say, write 10 viral AI facts that start with phrases like, "You won't believe this," or "This AI tool is so powerful, it can replace your job." Those little hooks are what separate average videos from viral ones. Once you've got your script, copy it into a simple text document or Google Doc. That's your content goldmine. You can reuse it, tweak it, or mix lines together later to create dozens of short videos from one single prompt. On to step 3, making the video in Canva. This is where everything comes to life visually. Go to Canva and search TikTok video template or YouTube Shorts template. Canva already gives you thousands of layouts optimized for mobile, with transitions, animations, and royalty-free clips you can use instantly. Start by picking a style that fits your niche. For motivational quotes, maybe go for dark backgrounds with bold text and cinematic B-roll. For AI content, pick sleek tech visuals with futuristic animations or fast-paced clips. Then simply paste your ChatGPT script line by line onto the slides. Canva lets you add text animations, glowing effects, and transitions with just a few clicks. Drop in background clips like cityscapes, typing hands, or digital effects, and your video suddenly looks professionally made. You can do all of this in under 10 minutes, even if you've never edited a video before. The trick is to keep your visuals in sync with your text pacing. Each sentence should appear on screen for just long enough to read comfortably, fast enough to feel dynamic, slow enough to process. At the end, preview the video. And boom, you've got something that looks like it came straight from a marketing agency. Next is step 4, voiceovers, AI or real. Now you've got your visuals ready, you need a voice. You can either record your own or go completely stealth mode with AI voices. Tools like ElevenLabs or Play.ht let you generate realistic human voices that sound almost indistinguishable from real people.
If you're looking for a calm, confident, and consistent voice,
You can even choose accents, tones, and personalities. If you're shy or just want to scale faster, AI voices are a game changer. Just paste your script, pick a tone, say calm and confident or energetic and friendly, and download the voice file. Then drag it into Canva's timeline under your visuals. Sync it up, adjust volume levels, and your faceless video suddenly sounds polished and professional. And if you do decide to use your own voice, don't overthink it. Viewers care more about pacing and clarity than perfection. You don't need a studio mic, even your phone works fine. Add a little background music, and you're set.
You won't believe this AI tool can literally replace your entire job. It writes emails, builds websites, edits videos, all in seconds. It even talks like you using your own voice. And the tool that's doing it all? Devin, the world's first AI software engineer.
Now comes step 5, posting the right way. Once your video is done, it's time to post it where the magic happens. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. These platforms all use vertical video and reward consistency more than anything else. Here's the secret. Post once per day. That's it. One post daily keeps you in the algorithm's good books. The first few videos might not blow up, but they start training the algorithm on who to show your content to. Within a few weeks, you'll start seeing patterns. Some topics get more watch time, others more engagement. Double down on what works. When you upload, make sure your captions and hashtags use keywords people are actually searching for, like AI tools, side hustle ideas, or money hacks. These act as signals to help the algorithm recommend your content to people interested in the same niche. Treat this like going to the gym. You don't see results after one workout, but show up daily and suddenly the algorithm starts pushing your content hard. Now for step 6, monetizing your channel. Here's where the $1,450 a day comes from. There are 3 main income streams: affiliate marketing, monetization from shorts, and sponsored posts. First, affiliate marketing. Let's say your channel talks about AI tools. You can sign up for affiliate programs from platforms like Jasper, Midjourney, or Notion. Every time someone signs up using your link, you earn a commission. Some pay $20 per sign up, others offer recurring monthly income. Second, YouTube Shorts monetization. Once your channel hits the requirements for the partner program, you start earning ad revenue for every view. It's smaller per view than long-form videos, but with millions of views, it adds up fast. And third, brand sponsorships. Once you've built a consistent audience, even just 10,000 followers, brands start reaching out. They'll pay you to showcase their product for 10 seconds in your videos. Combine these 3, and suddenly those daily uploads become a serious income machine. There's one creator I've been watching in the AI niche. He made over $12,000 last month just from affiliate links and brand deals, all from faceless Canva videos. He doesn't even use his voice. Everything is automated. That's the level of leverage you can build here. Let's move to step 7, scaling up. Here's where you go from making a few hundred to a few thousand per day. Once one video goes viral, don't overanalyze it. Duplicate the formula. Change the background color, switch the AI voice, adjust the script slightly, and repost. You can turn one viral idea into a whole week of content. Batch your videos, spend one afternoon creating 10 at once, then schedule them across the week. This not only saves time, but also builds consistency, which is the ultimate growth hack. Use analytics to your advantage. See which videos perform best, what captions, what hooks, what visuals. The algorithm literally gives you free feedback if you pay attention. The more you test, the more you understand what your audience loves. The real secret here isn't talent. It's testing, learning, and repeating. Most people quit before the algorithm has time to notice them. The ones who make it, they just keep posting. Finally, step 8, mindset and realistic expectations. Let's be honest, you won't make $1,450 on day 1. The people earning that much didn't find a magic button. They found a formula and repeated it until it worked. The strategy is the same for everyone. What changes is consistency, patience, and mindset. Your first few videos might flop, and that's completely okay. Every creator starts there. Nobody nails it on their first try. The algorithm doesn't know who you are yet, your audience doesn't know your style, and you're still figuring out what clicks. That awkward, uncertain stage, that's the part everyone wants to skip, but it's actually where the growth begins. What most people don't realize is that every single video you upload is data. It's not just content, it's information. Each post teaches you something new about what the algorithm likes, what people respond to, and how your ideas land. Maybe your hook was too slow, your visuals too cluttered, or your timing slightly off. Great. Now you know what to fix. The algorithm doesn't punish effort, it rewards progress. When you stay consistent, the system starts recognizing your rhythm. It starts testing your content with new audiences. It figures out, hey, this person shows up every day. Let's see how they perform if we push them a little further. And then, boom, one day, one video takes off. It's never random. It's the result of data building quietly in the background from all those failed uploads. This game isn't about perfection, it's about momentum. Most people hesitate for weeks trying to make the perfect first video, but the ones who win just start. They post, they learn, they adjust. That's the secret. Imperfect action, repeated daily beats, perfect planning, done, never. Each upload builds credibility. It trains your timing, your intuition, and yes, even the algorithm itself. You start understanding what works subconsciously. You stop overanalyzing and start creating. That's why I call it the AI hustle. Because yes, AI does the heavy lifting. It writes, it designs, it speaks, but it still needs you to press that upload button. Without that final step, all the AI power in the world means nothing. When you look at people making $1,000 a day from this, they're not doing anything magical. They're doing something simple, consistently. They post daily, they test ideas, they keep showing up even when the views are flat. That's the difference between the dreamers and the doers. If you break this system down, it's unbelievably doable. You can build an entire workflow in under an hour a day. ChatGPT gives you the script. Canva turns it into visuals. An AI voice tool gives it personality. You upload it, and the algorithm takes it from there. You're using automation, creativity, and consistency all at once. It's not about having more time or more resources. It's about doing more with what's already available. And that's why I say this is the most accessible business model I've ever seen. There's no barrier to entry anymore. You don't need a fancy setup, a marketing degree, or a big following. You just need discipline. You need that willingness to try again tomorrow, even if today's post flopped. Remember this formula. AI plus Canva plus consistency equals results. The only real difference between the people making it and the ones still watching videos about it is the upload button. The ones who take action, even if their videos aren't perfect, are the ones who end up with momentum, views, and income. So take this as your sign. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't overthink your background, your script, or your niche. Just start. Make your first video, even if it's rough, because you'll learn faster by doing than you ever will by waiting. In this new world of AI, execution beats ideas every single time. The tools are already here. The strategy is crystal clear. The only thing left is your action. So stop scrolling, stop overthinking, and start building. Because the people who take one step today will be miles ahead tomorrow. You don't need luck or followers or perfect timing. You just need to start. If this breakdown gave you even one spark of motivation, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm you're serious about leveling up. Share this with someone who keeps talking about starting someday. Make today the day they finally do. And if you want more step-by-step breakdowns on AI side hustles, Canva hacks, and ways to make real income online, make sure you subscribe. We're building a community of action takers here. People who don't just watch opportunities, they create them. Because in this new AI era, the only thing standing between you and your freedom is the upload button. So go make that AI money, and I'll see you in the next one.